Oh dear, this is me. This is my afro. Oh, this is so amazing, lovely and super soft. Welcome to Simply Naturally Simi. I am super naturally excited because it's winter time. I'm in Scotland and winter is coming in thick and fast. So I tend to trim my hair twice a year. I trim it when we're transitioning into winter and also trim it when we're coming from winter going into summer. So between springtime and around autumn time, that's when I trim my hair. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. For this video, I've got my mirror, so I'll be looking into my mirror while I trim my hair. I've got my shea butter, I've got a spray bottle with water, I've got a hairdresser's scissors, I have got a comb, and also I have my Revlon Salon one-step hair dryer and styler. I'm excited to be using this baby. I'll be using this to stretch my hair. My hair is a little bit damp. It was washed, but I sprayed it earlier, so it's a little bit damp. Ideally, you want to be doing this on damp hair, fresh from the wash. So my hair was washed, but I was just too busy to trim it at the time, and I wanted to video this for you. Right, I am going to be working in sections. My hair is currently in twists, so I'll be working with one section at a time. So as you can see, my hair is quite thin as it reaches the end, so what we were looking to trim is that, but I'm not sure how much of that we are taking away at this stage. I start off by finger detangling my hair. I spray my hair with water. I work the water in just to make sure that my hair is accepting the water. What I've noticed lately is my hair has been knotting quite a lot on the ends, and that's usually a sign that I am due a trim. So what I'm using, shea butter as my heat protectant. That's what I've always used, and it's worked for me. So I've got some shea butter in my hands and I'm just working it through my hands, and then I add that to my hair. I spread the shea butter through the hair, and once that is well in, I used my comb to detangle my hair. Just get rid of any shed hair. So you want to be working in small sections. So I'm going to split that section into two. Right, so this is my Revlon Salon one-step hair dryer and styler. It has got 3 settings, so I'll be using my cool shots, and because I don't want too much heat in my hair, so it's going to be noisy, so I won't talk while I am drying my hair. So the Revlon blow dryer or styler has got 3 settings. Like I said, the first setting is the cold shot, so I run that through my hair several times. I'm not worried about heat damage because this setting is quite gentle on the hair, so I just make sure that I am going through the hair really well. I
loved using this blow dryer. It felt gentle on my hair. So after the cool shot, I used setting number 1, which is a bit warmer than the cool shot, just to ensure that the hair is really, the ends were straight rather than curled, because I didn't want to have an uneven cut.
Okay, this is as good as it gets, I guess. So this is what my ends are looking like. I don't know whether they need more blow drying or they're just rough ends, but I'm going to be getting rid of all of that. I've never been one to be afraid of a trim.
I would say I then went ahead and trimmed about 1.5 centimeters of hair. I did a quick length check there, and then I trimmed the bushy ends. I think the ends were bushy because of split ends. I then continued the process of blow drying my hair and trimming. I started off by spraying my hair with water, add some shea butter on it, then I blow dry a section of hair, and then after that I trim the bushy ends. I was happy with how this was turning out, because it seemed like I was ending up with layers on my hair, and I was quite pleased with that, because you pay good money to get a good trim at a salon. So if you can do it at home, it's win-win. I would suggest that if you are somewhere where the weather is changing, if you're in Africa, you are possibly the weather is changing into summer at this stage. So I would suggest that you get yourself a quick trim your own hair, especially as the whole world is in lockdown of some sort. So trim your hair and get it ready for the next season, and you will thank me later.
My hair feels so soft, and it doesn't feel rough around the ends anymore. So I am happy with that. Okay, I am going to continue with the other sections.
So the recipe to healthy natural hair is ensuring that you are moisturizing your hair well and you are sealing in the moisture. You also want to ensure that you're deep conditioning your hair every week, at least once a week. If you wash fortnightly, then deep condition fortnightly. Also, you want to put your hair in a protective style where you can. That will mean that you're protecting your ends and minimizing any split ends. You also want to ensure that you're staying away from hairstyle that puts stress on your edges. If you have a hairdresser for your hair, just make sure that the styles that you are doing on your hair are not too tight on your scalp. So the trick to healthy hair also is you want a clean scalp. Clean scalp, healthy hair. Clean scalp equals healthy hair. So this is my natural hair routine. I tend to trim my hair twice a year. So I think trims are part of a healthy hair regimen. Remember, what you do to your hair make sure that you are doing to your little girl's hair as well. So if you've got any children who are natural haired, or even if they've got relaxer, make sure that you're trimming their hair, you are deep conditioning, and you are also moisturizing their hair as you do your own.
Yeah. Okay, so this is how much hair I've cut off. I don't know. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I am happy with that. Let's see what it's turned out like.
I am currently in search of aloe vera plant. I want to incorporate it into my hair care routine. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe, because I think that's the next hair video that I'll be working on, depending on the availability of the plant. So this concludes my hair trimming video. Thank you so much for watching. Do stay tuned so you can see my end result. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. Do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe.